Hey guys, welcome to my channel Success Sequence where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level for the next day. So as I mentioned in my previous video, market was most likely to see resistance on a higher side and the resistance did prevail. That's the only reason we covered our long position early. So as you guys can see, 10,600 was the stop loss which I did suggest it to my subscribers, and on 9:35 only I messaged them that they should square off their call position, and I also covered my position. Not only that, we also did an intraday trade in Bank Nifty wherein we went short in a Bank Nifty and almost made 2 to 3,000 rupees in this particular trade. So let me just share the detailed analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty as to what move we can expect in this particular kind of market in the days to come. So as you guys can see, the market did try to went on higher side but faced a resistance today, and now it is just placed above its 13-day exponential moving average. Also you can see that the technical indicators are just stalling at a high level, and near the exponential averages they are also not able to cross the exponential averages. So this did suggest that there will be some sort of halt, and if you analyze the option chart data, the things can become very clear. So if you analyze the data for the Nifty, 10,700 to 10,400 is the broad option activity range, so risk reward is definitely equally split. Call data suggests that there is a call writing has been happening on a higher side, so 1050 to 10,700 has seen a good sort of call writing. On a lower side like 10,400 to 10,500, what we can see is the call position is now getting covered, so it is again suggesting a bearish sentiment. On a put side, I can see that the market participants for the as far as the today's day is concerned have made a fresh bearish position. So the change in open interest is not that much significant, but they have created a bearish position. So all in all, call writing and fresh creation of bearish position most is the most thing what you can see in a stable to bearish kind of market. So expect the market to go down from here. However, there will be support placed near 8 days exponential moving average and 89 days exponential moving average. So if this level gets broken, the Nifty might be falling back in the range that it has been trading earlier. So 89 days exponential average to 144 days exponential moving average. If it falls in this particular range, then it will be again range bound kind of market. So sentiment did suggest that a stable to bearish kind of move can be expected at a high level unless and until the market closes above a particular level, which I'll just show you. I think we should not be taking any long position in this kind of market. So as you guys can see, as I have also mentioned in my previous video, the resistance now are working. So here you can see the resistance for the market which it has created today is the same as the previous candle. So 10,630 is a broad resistance for the market. But what I feel is, if you see the weekly chart, uh, 10,670 will be the key and crucial level for the market. So till the time the market is not able to trade and close below 10,670, I am definitely not going to make any long position in this market or in Nifty. So that is what I would like to convey for the Nifty. And for the Bank Nifty, let us see what the levels are indicate. So option data and the option chart analysis for the Bank Nifty suggests that there is a range of 25,000 to 26,000. So 600 points on high side and 400 point on downside. Now this is just an indicative move to understand the volatility scenario of the market. So if you guys can remember, in my previous video also I did mention that the Bank Nifty is not looking that much bullish because it was yet to close above its 8 days exponential moving average, and that's the only reason what I feel, since it has not been able to close above its crucial weekly moving averages. Market did fell resistance today on a higher side, again on a 34 days 55 days exponential moving average, and was stalled, and now it has taken a support near its 8 days exponential moving average. So a bounce back cannot be avoided, but the crucial part is that sustained long move will be only seen if the market trades above the uh, what is 34 days moving average, and the level comes to around 25,750 kind of level. So the option chart data, if we talk about the call participants have created a call writing position in the market. So maximum change in open interest has happened at a level of 26,000. And if you see the put data, you can see a fresh bearish position created at a lower level like 25,100 to 25,400, and the call short covering has happened at a level of 25,500 to 26,000. So volatility will be there, as we have seen the call short covering has happened, and a fresh bearish position along with the call writing has also happened. So stable to bearish kind of move you can expect. Market will again sorry market did is most likely to see support near the lower level. So since it has closed above its 8 days exponential moving average, it is definitely going to lend some sort of support to the indices. But further 25,170, which is 8 days simple moving average, will also be a good support for the market. So stable to bearish move is what I am expecting as far as the bank nifty is concerned. So let me just show you the uh, minute chart. And so as you guys can see, I messaged to my subscriber near 9:43 that they should go short. So let me just see at where, but so let me just take 15 minutes chart. Okay, so okay, so this is 26th of so 9:43 is what mm, okay, so that at that particular time the market was trading in a stable to bullish kind of format, but the move did came. However, it come a bit late. So as you guys can see, the bank nifty did was trading on a high side and finally went down. But unfortunately, we were personally I was not able to take the good move, and though the stop loss was never triggered, but I was not able to take a good trade. So at the time where I squared off, I was not able to make much money. But most of my subscriber who shorted the bank nifty, and whenever it was making or generating a profit of rupees 3,000, they were able to square it off. So that is the only reason they were able to make money. I was able to make only about, let me just show you what money I made in this bank nifty trade. So it was never a loss strategy, but it was making me 3,000 rupees at one particular point of time. So this is my trades today. So 480 rupees only I could end up making. So I shorted at 25,591 and I covered at 25,579. In between the it went down quite nicely. So I was making about 3,000 rupees at one point of time, but I did not covered it. And since the indices was came up, so I afraid that it might trade on the higher side. So that's the only reason I covered my position. And as you guys can see, 3,400 rupees loss could have been avoided by covering our long position early. So I was also short in nifty 10,200 put option, and I was also long in 10,000 call 800 call option. I was having three lots. Okay, so that's it for the today's video, guys. Hope you must have liked the video. In case if you have any doubt, you can always mention in the comment section of the video. We are not doing any stock future trade as of now, because we are not able to see any good sort of position that we can take. So that's the only reason we are not taking, and I am also doing a quite conservative trade. So that's the only reason we do find a limited opportunity. But when we find whenever we find an opportunity, we try to make the most of it. So we will be doing it, and I will also be sharing the rationales of stock future trades with you. But whenever we take for that, we need a convincing move on the either side. So that's it for the today's video. If you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends and family. And if you have any doubt, as I said, you can mention the comment section of the video. You can join my telegram channel, it's free. To join my premium WhatsApp broadcast, you can message me on 95743 99901. And Whenever I take whatever the trades that I do, I share it to my WhatsApp subscriber on a real time basis, so that they can also take a trade. And in the evening, I will be sharing the detailed rationale as to why we take a particular trade. So that's it for today's video. I see you in the next video. Thank you.